Alright, this morning woke up, tried to start the Z, and the battery's dead. So we're gonna take the battery out real quick, get this thing replaced, get it ready for the night. Little car meet and sack. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful. Let them see this area. Let them see that. Yeah, there we go. We got one off. Fucking battery. Oh, I forgot I need some other tools too. Okay. All right, this is what I needed right here. These babies right here, so I can get down and deep. Feel me? Nice and easy. Nice and easy. There we go. See that? Now this baby's coming out. Alright, let's see. Make sure I don't lose nothing. Let me get a cold start for y'all too. Y'all can hear this baby run. Moment of truth. It's a brand new battery, it should start. This is a cool start for y'all. Low. Do a nice little pull real quick for y'all.